Hi everybody, this is Joe Jurek and welcome back to Joe Jurek's Real Estate Adventures. Hopefully you're having a great day out there today. What do I want to talk about? I want to talk about sometimes putting yourself out there and volunteering. Whether you're at work or you're kind of helping an organization out, a lot of times people need volunteers. And sometimes people sit there and wait for everybody else to do it. If you volunteered, if you put yourself out there, if you took on additional responsibility, tried something new, could it make you kind of a better person? Could it make you even kind of learn how to react to different things? Could it make you better at solving problems? I think it can. So what I'm going to give everybody the challenge is the next time you're sitting there and they ask for a volunteer, at church, at work, at a function, or even at, maybe your children's sports event, why not volunteer, give back, pay it forward, and maybe learn something along the way. So until next time, go make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.